If you want to speed up the content creation process on your WordPress website, the QuickPress AI plugin was built for you. Keep watching to see how easy it is to install, set up, and use QuickPress AI so you can automate and liberate your content creation. Okay, so the first step is to download and install the WordPress plugin. So you're going to head over to quickpressai.com and click on the Install Now button. And on the installation instruction page, click on the Download Plugin link. And make sure that you save this in a location that you can remember in the future, because in just a second here, we're going to move on over to our WordPress admin dashboard. And I'm going to move my head out of the way so you can see what I'm seeing. And in the left-hand navigation, you're going to go to Plugins, Add New Plugin. And then click on the Upload Plugin button, choose File, choose the zip file, Install Now. Once it's done installing, click on the Activate Plugin button. And then once the plugin is installed, you can access the QuickPress AI plugin settings page by going to Settings in the left-hand navigation of the WordPress admin dashboard, and a navigation item has been added to the bottom of that submenu called QuickPress AI. Click on that. And then from here, you're going to need to get your Venice AI API key. So make sure you log into your Venice AI Pro account. Click on your username in the lower left corner, and then click on the API button. And you will most likely need to generate a new API key. Once you do that, make sure you copy it and keep it in a safe place. Treat your API key as though it is a password. And then once you have that, head back over to the QuickPress AI settings page in your WordPress admin dashboard and paste your API key into the field here and click on Save. And once that's done, a series of other fields will be available to you, the first of which is required in order to generate content in your WordPress website. You want to select a model. For this, I'm going to select the default model, which is Llama 3.3 70B. And then the next three fields here, or four fields rather, you're going to want to take some time to make sure you're filling these out, because these fields will save some time for you in the future. The first one is configuring your writing assistant. You're basically telling the AI how you want it to write, who it's writing for, etc. And then these prompt templates will be loaded into the content editor for you to generate titles, post or page content, and excerpts. So I'm going to go ahead and get all that set up right now. Okay, so now that we have the prompt templates and writing assistant configured, you can adjust the temperature, frequency penalty, and presence penalty if you'd like. These help customize the AI output, and you can adjust them as you see fit. And then the generate content timeout as well is an optional field, or it's not optional, but you can make adjustments to this field if you'd like to as well. Okay, the settings have been saved, and now your WordPress writing assistant is ready to be used. So let's go ahead and head on over to Pages and Add New Page. And for this example, I'm going to set up a pillar page. But before I get into that, I want to walk you through the panels here, because what you see in your WordPress editor may not be exactly what it looks like right now. So if you happen to not see this sidebar panel on the right here, you may need to click on this icon here to open it up. And this opens up the settings panel for the editor. And we want to make sure that the Page tab is activated. And in the Page tab, you are going to see this panel here, which is the QuickPress AI panel. Go ahead and click on that to open it up. And then you will see the fields for your title prompt template, page post content template, and your excerpt. And if you took the time to create a template in the settings, you would be able to click on this link here to load them up. So you can see how that would save some time. So starting with the title prompt template, I am going to update the template with how I want it to generate this page title here. So you can see over here that the title was updated. The title field was updated, and it says boost productivity with automated WordPress content creation. And I'm pretty happy with that, actually. That's a pretty good title here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it and paste it into our content template here. Click on the submit button to have it start generating the content that is going to be formatted when it comes back. Okay, and here's the content that's been generated. Overall, it looks pretty good. The next thing that I want to do is take this introductory paragraph here and generate an excerpt. So we have our excerpt template loaded, and I'm going to copy and paste it into here and click on the submit button to have it generate. And the generation has been completed, and you can see that with the green check mark that is next to the submit button. And the excerpts are up in this top area of the page panel here. And the QuickPress AI plugin does enable excerpts for pages. So you will find it right up here. And that's pretty much it. That's QuickPress AI in action. Give it a try. Let us know what you think.